So after the successful purchase and delivery of our plastic mobile fish pond, this new pond would actually need some plumbing works to be done on it, as you all know, in order to make it function properly. In catfish farming, plumbing works actually has two major functions. One is to enable the pond carry water, and the other is to enable the outflow of the water. As you all can see, the plumber has started working, and this phase is actually under the infrastructural setup of your catfish farm. That's why we do advise newbies that are just coming into this business to make sure they go for quality, not quantity, when it comes to construction of your catfish pond. Go for experts, go for people, go for plumbers, go for bricklayers that are highly experienced in this business. Not all plumbers knows how to construct a catfish pond. Not all bricklayers knows how to construct a catfish pond. As you all can see, we are just fixing the inlet here. That is where the water will coming from. That's the inflow. We call this inflow in catfish farming. This is where the water will come in from, and this is actually the outflow here. We are trying to create a pipe here where the wastewater water from the pond will pass through, and this is also called the drainage system. This is a drainage system for the pond. This is where the wastewater will actually pass through conveniently without polluting the environment. As you all can see, the water is already coming in right from the overhead tank, and we have fixed the shower cap as well in order to increase the oxygen in the pond. So if you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page. If on Twitter, as well. Thank you for watching to this video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.